Hi everyone, I'm going to make some earrings today. We're going to do blue. That's one of my favorite colors. So let's get started. I'm going to use head pins for these, but those will not work with the head pins, and I'm hoping these will go through the turquoise. I had to cut some wire. And we're going to do a little swirl here at the bottom to hold it on. Since I don't think this is wire I want a torch because it's nickel silver. It's not silver. Make a little curl. It's not the prettiest curl in the world, but something to hold our beads on. Trying to make it pretty. See what we can do with the second one. I had a future project laying there, and it moved. Curl it around. Just walk it with your pliers. Walk it around. Try to make them about the same. Then we're going to turn it up a little bit. Alright. Now this bead will not come off of that. That's a solution for if your beads are coming off your head pins. Some of them are not made right. Now let's make the other one. Ah, slipped off. My wire is stiff, so I got as many turns as I can. I think I've got a gap in it, but just hold your wire when you snip it. You don't want to be walking on it later. Make it like that. Come around. Yep. Somebody just shut the door. My husband or my son must have come in. They've been working outside a little bit. Or my son is. opened it by twisting it. Close it back by twisting it. Make sure that it looks fairly closed. You can turn it up that way. Now let's do the other one. I didn't get a good show you. Alright, here we go. I'm going to show you how to open these up. You turn it. Some of them are different than the ones I have. These are stainless, well, surgical steel. And, ouch, got my finger. Let's move on to these. I'm going to put a crystal on first. No, not. That wasn't what I was going to do. I'm going to put one of these blue beads on. I think they're halite or something. I don't think they're real turquoise. A crystal. And some azurite. Another crystal. And another piece of halite. Crystal will give you a sparkle. Or you could have, instead of crystals, you could put a spacer in here. And I can show you what one looks like, because I found mine. I was making something earlier. Just give you an example. Just give you an example. What it would look like with a spacer. Those are copper, but pretty little silver ones would look pretty. That's not what we're doing today on that one. We're sticking with blue. We're sticking with blue. Got that much on so far. We're going to do our next one. That one. Crystal. Another azurite. Crystal. And another one of, I think it's halite. Move these out of our way. Move those out of our way. Go around. It's not be tight, so you're probably only going to get maybe one turn, so move it down to right about there. Take your pliers. Go around. These. Hold it. If it bends a little bit, you can straighten it back out. Just do not get your beads. get these done and we'll be done with this project. Hang it on like we did earlier. Twist it back. Next one. Open it up by twisting. Put your earring on. There's our 2 blue earrings. And, you know, that's my favorite color, so you'll probably see a lot more blue. Y'all have a good rest of your day, and I hope to see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.